Alrighty, welcome back to Ballroom Feed. We're gonna do Wedding Waltz, and this time we're going to combine the first 3 patterns into a little combination for you. So we're gonna do patterns 1 through 3. Let's go ahead and show you what that looks like.
So this combo, we're gonna go box, the traveling step, and then the walk around turn. This isn't the order necessarily that you learn them in, but we can now loop this combination over and over again to travel and turn our way around the floor without using a lot of unnecessary basics. So we'll do the box first, obviously, to kind of get into the music and feel comfortable here. We'll now use the traveling step to move a little bit. You can do as many of these as you want. And then I'll do a box with the walk around turn. This will automatically turn us. And we come back to the beginning again where I could do another box. I could do a traveling step. What I did in the last one with the music is I turned our box a little bit to go back the other way, then use the traveling step again to keep moving, and then I can go to that walk around turn one more time. That'll turn our corner for us, more or less back to the beginning.
Okay, so depending on how much space you have on your dance floor, you can make it go all the way around the edges of the dance floor, or what Chris did in the music demonstration where he turned it around and just kind of came back the same way we came. If it's not as much space, that's a good option. And as always, this is just one way to put it together. You can always add more boxes, more basics, but we just like to do it with the least amount, like he said, to give you that demonstration, an idea for you to practice that, okay?
Yeah, nice to see how it all kind of goes together. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up so we know, and subscribe for more videos. If you didn't know, we do have a website, ballroomfeed.com, where we have all of these videos completely ad-free, plus many more. So if you wanted more than what you see here, be sure to go check that out. And of course, technique, combos, all of that's there too. And we'll see you very soon in the next one. Bye.